clear to us. Let's assume that we are given these two examples. We have to simplify. 0.25 raised to the power minus 2, and the second one is 32 raised to the power 0.2. Now, if you look at this question, it's different from the ones we have been dealing with since. And this question has fractional, decimal, which we call decimal numbers in it. So let's tackle it one after the other. The first one says that we should simplify 0.25 raised to the power minus 2. Anytime you have a decimal number like this, the first thing you do is to convert it to a fraction. So we have fraction, this is 25 all over. According to your normal school way of converting decimal to fraction, your decimal point is going to be 1. Every number after it is going to be 0. 2 will be 0, 5 will be 0. That's the way to convert it to fraction. Then this is raised to the power what? Minus 2. So we can express this one in index form if you like. You can also express this one in index form if you like. This is 5 raised to the power 2, and this is 10 raised to the power 2. I'm sure you understand what I'm doing. This is 5 raised to the power 2, this is 10 raised to the power 2. I'm just trying to express this in index form. But if I don't want to go this way, I can also use another approach. But I think this one appears complicated. The first thing we have to do is that we can try and get rid of the negative sign. That was the rule that was stated to us. Then you can say this is 1 over. The rule of negative says that when you have negative power, replace it with 1 over. Then you write the number you have. This is 25 over 100 raised to the power 2, for instance. So you can have this as 1 over 5 raised to the power 5 over 10 raised to the power 2, 5 raised to the power 2, 10 raised to the power 2. 2 is common to all of them, and we have the 2, we have this 2 outside. It's not complicated, I'm just trying to simplify it here. Then finally, you can say this one is 5 here 1, 5 here 2. Of course, this is 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 or raised to the power 4, of course. So this 1 over 2 is the same thing as 1 over 2 raised to the power minus 1 raised to the power 4. When you consider this, the rule of negative index says that you have 1 over. So I'm trying to return this one to index form. That's 2 raised to the power minus 1. Then this is going to be 1 over 2 raised to the power minus 4. The power rule, you multiply the power. This minus 1 times 4. Then this 2 raised to the power minus 4. You are okay if you leave your answer like this. There's no big deal about that. But in the case that you don't want to leave your answer like this, then you have to take this one to the normal proper form. But I would advise you to leave your answer like this. If you want to take this one to the normal proper form, then it's going to be a ton of what? This 1 over 2 over 4, of course. Then it's going to be 1 divided by 1 over 2 over 4. Because I've explained this in the previous exercise that I did. Then this is going to be 1 times 2 over 4. Then finally, it's going to be 2 raised to the power 4, which is 16. But I'm not going to write 16. I'm going to write it in index form because we are dealing with indices. It's not complex. Follow through the process again, then you get my explanation. So let's consider the second one. We have 32 raised to the power 0.2. When you have indices, when you have decimal, take it to fractional form. This 32 raised to the power 2 over 10, of course. Then I can break it down, I can divide. I did the same thing here. This is 2 here 1, 2 here 5, of course. Then this 32, you can express it in index form. This is 2 in 5 places, giving us 32, and this is 1 over 5. Of course, the power rule says that you can multiply them together, then you cancel this out, then you are left with 2. It is not complicated. The only way to get yourself, well firmed in this particular topic is for you to go back to the rules that we have talked about since the beginning of this lecture. We talked about the multiplication rule, the division rule, the power rule, the root power, zero index. Then finally, we talked about the negative index and the fractional index. All these rules has been applied with the series of examples that we have just been dealing with since morning. So in that case, we can say it's a day on the first aspect of our lecture. Then in the next aspect, we'll be dealing with what we call exponential equation or indicial equation. They call it exponential equation in most of our textbooks. So see you